Here we have a small window repair. The old glass has been removed, and I'm about to remove the glazing compound from the former window. And it's basically fairly simple. You just scrape along it and get the glazing points and the glazing compound out so that you can set the new window in. And now we have the glazing all cleared out, and we're going to set the new piece of glass. And now the glass is in place, and we begin putting glazing points in. And now we're putting in the glazing points that will hold the glass in before we put the glazing compound on the window. Now we're putting another glazing point in. And now we're going to be putting the glazing compound on, and we'll start with this corner over here. And here we're putting the glazing compound in along the side. And now that the glazing compound's in, we take our putty knife and start running it up along the glazing and getting it smoothed out. Stop. And here we have one side that is totally complete